This is Sang Si Baek with Water Sensor Studio, bringing you the latest news on the Middle East war. This is Iran Karaj. There are reports of an assassination attempt on a high-ranking Iranian official. This is Iran Karaj. The sky is shown lit up with blue flashes from powerful airstrikes by the United States and Israel. This is Loristan Province, Iran. There were airstrikes by the United States and Israel in Loristan Province, Iran. In the central Iraq region of Iran, there was an Israeli airstrike targeting the home of a local commander of the Iranian Revolutionary Guard. The Israeli military said they finished airstrikes on Iranian government and military production sites in several cities, using over 178 weapons. U.S. Central Command released footage of an attack on an Iranian missile launcher. Pro-Iranian militias in Iraq claimed 37 operations against enemy bases in Iraq and nearby areas in the last 24 hours. This is the scene in Beirut, Lebanon. It has truly been devastated. There was a clash between Hezbollah forces and Israeli forces in Lebanon. Hezbollah forces are attacking Israel's Merkava tank. This is UA, a UA F-16 fighter jet is intercepting an Iranian Shahed drone. Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps said the war will continue and that their leadership, people, and military remain more determined than ever to take revenge on the enemy. President Trump said if Iran blocks oil exports, he will destroy them so thoroughly they cannot rebuild. He said he would increase bombings by about 20 times. Although President Trump talks about ending the war early, he also mentions increasing bombings, so we'll have to wait and see, President Trump stated. He said if Iran opens the Strait of Hormuz, it would benefit all countries, including the US and China. Mark Carney, the Prime Minister of Canada, called Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, the King of Qatar, to express solidarity with Qatar against Iran's missile and drone attacks. If there is more news, I will make a video and upload it. This is the end of the video. Thank you.